The industry of air transport is a delicate one. It requires investors to employ the services of professional men and women. A good example of such a person is an aviation project manager. This is an expert with sufficient competency and academic excellence, whose mandate is mainly to oversee the duties assigned, as they will be analyzed below, is performed exceptionally. Credentials in the relevant field of study are the main underlying component. This person is required to have a minimum of at least a bachelor's degree in either transportation engineering, architecture or planning. These relevant fields provide the required knowledge to ensure perfect performance of the tasks at hand. In other instances, one may have a master's degree. This is advantageous in getting the job and performing it well. Skills in leadership are needed for this kind of job. Here, this person is in charge as the leader. There is always a team of people he or she has to supervise and organize in order to have an effective group. In this case, such skills will come in handy in handling people without favoring some to others. Correct supervision is always the key to target achievements. Technical abilities with supporting information relating to airplanes is also a must-have for them. Here, there is the use of computerized systems in carrying out monitoring, servicing and maintenance of planes and their operations. Without this, the whole system might stall and no operation can be done. The whole plane operations depend on it. All these requirements, when put together, they lead to successful job performance. It is with them that the necessary duties shall be done competently. What they need to know is that no single duty is derived outside their capability. In case a single competence is unavailable, he or she will struggle to perform the job at hand. Handling of cargo and passenger baggage is one of them. This entails having them loaded and unloaded from the plane before takeoff or after landing respectively. With the right plans as derived by the expert, it becomes easier to avoid overcrowding, both in the departure and arrival lounges. He or she has to ensure their safety from disappearing and safe handling. With expansions taking place, this professional facilitates and oversees such expansion plans. He or she will definitely be in charge and has to come up with the right policies in enhancing and facilitating these growths. Here, getting the right budget and identifying areas that require these expansions are all within this docket for professional handling and ensuring that they come to pass. An aviation project manager is also entitled to matters of safety within the airport. This entails ensuring adequate safety standards are in place to avoid loss of cargo and lives in case there is an occurrence of a disaster. A safe airport standard is achievable with a competent person on the job.